Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add hoverbox in Wix website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix page and we are going to add hoverboxes. On left side you see add element, so click on it and then you see box, hover on it and then you see hoverboxes. And then you can select design according to requirement. You see we have multiple design. Now select this. Now design is added. So if you want to move position, now select and then you can set position according to requirement. Now you see and then you see image, title, text. Now you see text, so click on it. So you can edit text. So you can add text according to requirement. Now you see title, so click on it, edit text. So you can add text according to requirement and then you see text setting, style, font size. Now click on other text and then you see edit text, so click on it. Now you see style, font size for this text 12px. So you can do setting according to requirement. Now close. Now click on image. Now you see change image or edit image, so click on it. If you want you can change image according to requirement. Now select any image, or if you want you can upload image from media. Now close and then you see this is our container. You see multiple option setting. Now you see if you want you can add link. Now close. Now select container again. Now you see regular and then you see change design, so click on it and then you see box design. Now click on customize design, so click on it and then you see fill color, opacity, corner, shadow. Now close. Again click on it and then you see hover, so click on it and then you see container box on hover, play. So this is our effect. Again you see and then you see choose effect, so click on it. So you can select effect according to requirement for hover box. Now you see. Now close and if you want you can change this background color blue. Now click on it. So we select this section. Now first close this and then we are going to change background color. Now select this and then you see multiple option. You see design, so click on it. Now you see opacity and color, so you can add color according to requirement. Now you see, so you can set any color and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page and then scroll down. You see our box image, so when we hover on it you see read more. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.